Guys, today I will eat McDo.
Parang kutsara tinidor.
Ito ma.
Almost Christmas.
Because it's Christmas.
So let's now open my shake.
Spicy yan mama. Spicy ka ba?
Parang chicken.
Pakita mo yung show mo yung food mo.
Pour the fries in.
Yung food mo.
Pour the fries in.
Shake, shake.
The fries. So empty. I'm so hungry.
Doy, try McDo's baby.
Spicy yan ma.
Ha?
Spicy sa'yo?
Oh, sabi mo ayaw mo spicy. Gusto mo spicy?
Mag-isa tayo.
Gitero.
Please pour the fries in.
Sige.
Tinanong kita kanina.
Okay.
Spicy?
I'll help you. Pull inside. Yeah! More. Where's the cheese? Oh, more.
That's the world's cheese.
Dapat sa car mo na ito kinakain eh. Kasi
Mamaya mahangry ka.
hungry ka doon eh. Food trip mo yan sa car eh. Ayun, daming rice mo. It's okay. You just put cheese first. Cheese flavor. Budoy's favorite.
Well, already tasted cheese. Before I don't like cheese before. Now I like cheese. But for the cheese.
Wow, okay. Shake, shake, shake. Natalsi ka ng cheese.
Hindi.
Okay na.
Hindi, meron akong
Kumain ka na.
on.
Set aside mo muna yung fries.
Gayo, gayo. Papa, nag-open the cheese.
Ah. Ito yung food mo na. Set aside mo to. Kasi sa car, kakainin mo to sa car. Food trip mo yan sa car. Ito yung lunch natin.
Ay,
Today.
yung mga co-workers.
Yes.
Mga sila kumakain.
Good pa? No.
Ano daw?
Yun yung sa hospital. This is the right one.
Ano ba?
Overper.
Ito yung mga red.
Akala nang tawag ba sa McDo?
No, gravy.
Taste first. Taste first. Sausa mo yung fries first. It's so delicious. Try mo. Dali na para makita sa video.
Every day I always let me taste gravy.
Taste first. Taste first.
Place favorite. This is McDonald's chicken.
Taste first. Taste first. Yung gravy.
Oh.
Doy, before you say no, taste first.
Ayan, pag walang tripod. You don't like gravy?
How much is it rice? I just there.
Later. Sakar mo yung kakainin. Ito,
That's so good.
we will add another fry. Kasi,
Alat.
hindi. Para may food trip tayo sa car. Diba na? I'll get some water.
Wala bang extra rice?
I'm just gonna, I don't have enough rice in mine, so I'm gonna get some rice, but then I might also fold them. you at the zoos, eh? Probably if it shuts.
How about we go to Manila Ocean Park? Pa,
Ano?
Manila Ocean Park na kaya tayo.
Ayos din. Oo. Ganda rin naman dun ah.
Iyak sa area.
Tapos sama natin si Ariel. Si Ate Ariel, pag pupunta tayo sa Ocean Park.
Tell them na yung fried chicken, the famous fried chicken in the Philippines.
Is it still famous? No.
McDonald's and
Jollibee.
Jollibee. But the number one is Jollibee, right? So,
Wala ko ng chicken ng ano.
which chicken is your favorite? Jollibee or McDonald's? Which one?
How would you rate it?
McDonald's? McDonald's daw, ma. Leaving ako.
I think those guys live in the United States.
Hmm?
I think those guys live in the United States.
I think so.
Yummy? Yummy na? Ha? Ano? Gusto mo Ocean Park?
Kasi shade area na gusto sumama sa Ocean Park.
Asa naman sa area?
Bahay.
Maya pa uwi nun.
Tapos, not 50.
Kanin. Alam mo ng gravy na? Ha? Don't like?
Yeah. Can you go?
Yummy na. Sarap. Ah. Pakita mo ko sa kanila yung yummy chicken mo. Hindi. Wow.
Yum.
2-piece chicken for easy clay. And 1 rice and 3 medium fries for shake fries.
Buti nga hindi pa nag-nuggets yun eh. Kahiwain mo para makain yung ayos yung chicken. Oh!
Onion. Wait. Did they have rice?
Rice? You want more rice? Yung rice na ano mo daw.
Ano?
Uy, tanggalin mo yung bone. Are you funny?
Ano, rice oh. Yung bone dito mo lagay. Dami?
The delicious meal I've ever had in McDonald's.
What?
The best meal I've had on McDonald's.
Derek.
Oh my god!
Which chicken your favorite? McDonald's or Jollibee? McDonald's? McDonald's, the best chicken. Number 1 or number 2? Huh? Number 1, number 2?
Old Philippines flag.
Number 1, number 2?
Old Philippines
Joy.
flag.
Yeah.
Is that a red triangle? The video passer or reality star?
Ano po tinik?
Tinik daw, tinik. Sabi ni Papa, akin na yung tinik.
Tulis eh.
Bones.
Tabong.
May tinik ba yung chicken?
Fish lang.
Yung sabi ni Papa, akin na yung tinik.
Eh, sharp eh.
Hindi rin ay bone na sharp. The world's smallest bone.
Ay, no?
This cannot fit in my body. I mean, that
Sobrang
can
spicy,
fit
di ba?
in my body.
Hmm?
Sobrang spicy.
Mm. Yung spicy sa kanila, hinahalo na kasi sa ano,
Mac and cheese.
yung sa Jollibee powder eh. Don't do that.
Don't let it be.
Ha? Are you done? Anghang. Spicy.
Are you eating my fries?
Hmm?
Are you eating my fries?
That's our fries. Papa put it all together here. Are you funny?
No.
Kanina masarap pa yung fries eh.
Ngayon,
Say that every week.
Parang yun.
Yummy Joy. Tingin mo. Let's eat, guys. Sabi mo.
Hmm?
Let's eat.
Don't eat it.
Oh my God. You want nuggets?
Where?
Full ka na eh. 2-piece chicken na big chicken.
Oh my God. Everybody.
Water made me choke.
Because you drink fast. What's that?
Doon si Papa.
Shake, 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 shake.
Shaky fries.
Too much shake, shake fries. Yeah. Today's favorite shake, shake fries, cheese flavor.
I just eat ice. I ate ice again. Mama is ubusin mine.
What is ubusin in English?
Finishing.
Wala na siyang fries sa car.
Mama, yung fries. Wala.
Sino bumili niya?
Papa. Sino nagkuha?
Sino pay?
Sino nakuha?
Sino pay?
Nagkuha si Papa.
Sino pay?
Papa is the one who pick up the foods, right?
You did not say thank you to Mama.
Thank you, Mama. Full?
Baboy, ubos na.
Hindi natin ubusin kasi libreng
Ay,
yan
hindi
sa car.
sakto. Hindi pa pala ito nag-lunch kasi di ba wala siyang baong kanin. Kaya pala hungry siya sobra.
Bawa na kong snack.
Ano snack niya?
Cheesecake.
And
Tubig.
juice.
There's no juice. There's not allowed.
Hindi ka nagdala ng juice?
Not allowed in school.
Bakit kasi yung bag ko?
The juice is not allowed in school. Di ba, Doy? Juice is not allowed in school. Are you done eating?
Not eating, I'm drinking.
Okay. What's that? Iced tea.
This is Coke.
Are you kidding?
Look, if you look at the color, it's not black.
You're not allowed to drink Coke.
Why, Papa?
Too much sugar. What?
Pa, can you please get it? I will. English din ako.
Because we are recording, that's why we are English.
So the other country can understand, right? What we are talking.
Maybe.
It's raining outside, guys.
No, it's not.
It's raining. Little bit. Oh yeah, little bit raining. Okay. Yeah. Ice. No more.
How do you say ambon in English?
Ambon.
No.
They call this. Ambon is shower.
Shower?
Yeah. Bit shower, little bit shower. Not shower. Ito yun. Stingray.
Last and I won't get any more.
Done na eating? Done na, stocks mo na yun mamaya sa car eh. Okay? So bye na guys. Thank you for watching guys. Sabi mo sa kanila. Ay.
Eating. Hi guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And then,
I like it.
please like,